will have, बोलो, same sign for all x belonging to R. Very, very, very important. This is the conclusion you draw from the graph. Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
चलो. केमिस्ट्री क्लास हो आज? उनको नहीं है बोले. Okay, for JL 41 was telling. I thought of taking the class in the morning 8 to 9 hours. 1 hour लेके छोड़ देंगे सोच रहा था. Then I thought I am not sure करके नहीं लिया. So you had your chemistry class?
No, sir, we didn't.
We didn't have, sir. We didn't have.
अरे पहले मालूम है तो मैं 8 to 9 लेता था सुबह. आज एक दिन. At what time you are starting physics class? 9, 9:15, 9:30. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
No. How is the graph of ax square plus bx plus c? What are its maximum and minimum values? डस्टर खराब हो गया दिख रहा, बहुत पूरा गंदा हो जा रहा. टाइम हो गया. Pay attention to this. इधर ले लेंगे. सुन रहे हो? ये कॉमन ले लो. क्या आएगा? बोलो जी.
Plus C, right? Yes, sir.
Reduce into a perfect square. कौन सा कांस्टेंट आपको, सॉरी, कौन सा कांस्टेंट आपको b by a into x देगा? What constant will give you b by a into x? बोलो जी.
Alpha plus beta roots.
What I am asking and what you are telling me, Jasim?
Sure.
I asked you what constant will give you b by ax? शोएब बोलो जी.
B by
AB.
What constant will give you b by ax?
B by 2A.
हाँ, लाइव क्लास में रहना था, एक एक को धुनक धुनक के फेंक दे रहा था मैं अभी। क्या है जी? इट इज b by 2a, a b, alpha beta, gamma delta. What answers you are giving me, man? I asked what constant will give you b by ax. What should be your answer? b by 2a. इसका स्क्वायर ऐड करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, करेक्ट? What do first three terms become? बोलो मैम। ये दोनों का एलसीएम a goes 4a times. Am I correct? So what is your f of x? What is your f of x? Tell me. A into x plus b by 2a whole square. A से multiply करो. What does it become?
4a square c minus b
हाँ
square.
हाँ, 4ac. ये डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो जाते जी.
Oh, yes sir, yes sir.
Bring this here. Y minus 4ac minus b square by 4a is equals to a into what does this indicate? A greater than 0 क्या देगा? इस अपवर्ड पैराबोला का वर्टेक्स क्या होगा? वर्टेक्स क्या होगा? वर्टेक्स क्या होगा? माइनस बी बाई 2a, कमा बोलो 4ac minus b square by 4a. If it is a less than 0, what is it? डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला. इस डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला का भी वर्टेक्स सेम रहता. व्हाट विल बी द वर्टेक्स? व्हाट विल बी द
Minus B by
वर्टेक्स?
2A.
माइनस बी बाई 2a कमा 4ac minus b square by 4a. You can clearly see as x goes to plus or minus infinity, function is going to plus infinity. Am I correct? Look at this one. Look at this one. Look
As
at this one.
Plus or minus
As
function goes to
x goes to plus or minus infinity, where is f of x going to? Does this function has a maximum? No. Does this function has a minimum? No. Does this function has a minimum? Yes. Does this function has a maximum? Yes.
Yes.
What I'm trying to say? What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? I'm concluding. For a greater than 0, f of x has maximum or minimum? Minimum. Minimum at what value of x? Minimum at x is equal to minus b by 2a. What is the minimum value? 4ac minus b square by. Am I correct? Come back. For a less than 0. Function does not have a minimum, but function has a maximum. F of x has maximum. Maximum at, बोलो जी, x is equal to minus b by 2a. What is the max value? Max value is 4ac minus b square by. Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir,
Any
no
doubts?
doubt.
Any questions? Copy this. I'll tell you a method where you need not use this formula also. We will do with formula, without formula. Can I clear it off? Finished. Hello,
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
all of you. I need the full board.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
I'll teach you 3 methods. एग्जाम में जो यूज करना है यूज कर सकते हैं. Look here. Pay attention. Why I am asking about minimum? Because coefficient of x square is positive. Look at one method. Formula method. Since a is equal to 1 greater than 0, f as maximum or minimum? Minimum. Minimum for what value of x? Minimum for x equal to minus b by 2a. d6 a1. बच्चे लोग हम अगर
Yes, sir.
what's the minimum value?
4ac minus b square by 4a.
4ac minus b square by 4a. A is 1, c is 13, b square is 36, by 4a is 4. कितना आता है? 4 into 13, 52 शायद ना? 52 minus 36. बोलो जी.
16.
4 was 4. मैक्सिमा मिनिमा होना जी. लास्ट ईयर फिर मैक्सिमा मिनिमा क्यों पड़े?
Slope equal to
f dash x स्लोप नहीं थी, f double dash x. करेक्ट. For
Yes, sir.
max or min क्या होगा?
f dash x
f dash x is 0.
0.
2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Second derivative at x is equal to minus 3 greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0, because f double dash x anyhow is 2. Therefore, at x is equal to minus 3, f as maximum or minimum? Minimum. What's the minimum value? What's the minimum value? F of minus 3. What is f of minus 3? Substitute. 9 minus 18 plus 13. 9 plus 8, 13. 22 minus 18. आया?
Yes, sir.
ये फॉर्मूला, ये मैक्सिमा मिनिमा. फिर मैं ये सब याद नहीं रखता. कोई जरूरत नहीं है याद रखने की. कॉमन सेंस यूज करो. फॉर्मूला का जो प्रूफ है उसको अप्लाई करो. फॉर्मूला का प्रूफ में व्हाट वाज द आइडिया एक्सिक्यूटेड? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो एक्स स्क्वायर 2 into x into 3 plus 9 minus 9 plus 13. करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
फॉर्मूला का प्रूफ में जो आइडिया एक्सिक्यूट किया उस आइडिया को एक्सिक्यूट कर रहा हूं. हाँ बोलो. करेक्ट.
yes sir
What's the maximum? No, what's the minimum? Minimum is 4. Attained for what value of x? इसको ग्राफिकली भी दिखाओ. फर्स्ट स्टेप,
Upward parabola.
सेकंड स्टेप
3 units leftwards.
हाँ सेकंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप y is equal to x square, first step. Next 3 units leftwards. Next 4 units upwards. इसको लिफ्ट किया मैं. How many units I lifted?
4.
4 units. ऐसा जाएगा ना? What is this point? What is this point? What's the minimum value? 4. Clearly see it. All of them same. Come on. Copy this. Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir, no doubt.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Just do this problem. Find maxima or minima, whichever exists. Whichever exists. Maxima or minima, whichever exists. Come on. I'm waiting. Answer I want. Hello, Isaac Hamza. Classman Ayaz. I cannot hear you.
I'm here, sir. First one is 47 by 8.
47 by
You're
8.
there. Asruddin Abdul Wasi. Madani. Answer बोलो जी.
Second one is minus 14 by 3.
I'm waiting. Answer खत्म.
Second one 11 by 3 maximum value.
इससे में आंसर बदल गया. प्रॉब्लम है ना, पेपर कहाँ है? ये दिख रहा है. Can I?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलो? मैक्सिमा रहता मिनिमा रहता?
Minimum.
Minimum.
At x is equal to what value?
Minus 3 by 4.
Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What's the minimum value? बोलो. आंसर बोलो जी.
Sir.
Tell me the answer, man.
Sir, for getting 6, sir. Not sure about that.
Don't be 6 man. Fractions में रहता हूँ मैं. I'm getting 6 करते. Answer man. हेलो. 4 बार पुकार लिया जी. आंसर बोलो.
47 by 8.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Next one बोलो. Maximum at
Minus 11 by
minus 11 by
No, sir. Final answer is minus 11 by 3.
Now, maximum at what value?
1 by 3.
Minus b, b is 2, minus b by 2a. I'm getting 1 by 4, man. Maximum at minus b by 2a. b is 2.
3 sir down.
Okay. A is 3. Okay. A is minus 3. So maximum at 1 by 3. Am I correct, Hamza?
Yes.
Now, what's the maximum value? You give me the answer, I'll write.
Minus 11 by 3.
I'm waiting. Answer first. Nobody will ask these problems in the exam, man.
Zero to 2 by 5.
No. Shall I? I thought you all will pounce on this man.
0 to root 2.
Is it not root 2 to infinity?
Yes, sir. Root 2 to infinity.
F of x का minimum or maximum? F of x minimum is greater than f of x minimum is greater than g of x maximum. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What's the formula? F of x minimum 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. Correct?
Yes, sir.
4ac minus b square by 4a. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This 4 will cancel off. Numerator ka bhi 4 will cancel off. What remains? Four gone. Wait. I'm making mistakes unnecessarily. 1 4 cancelled one. So what does it give you? 8c square minus 4b square greater than, this is minus 4b square minus 4c square by minus 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
4 cancelled. Now I'll give minus sign and cancel 4. 2c square minus b square greater than, is it b square plus c square?
Yes, sir.
Bring this here. C square greater than 2b square. Mod c greater than mod b root 2. Mod c by mod b greater than root 2. So where will mod c by mod b belongs to? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग
Yes, sir.
Saidur Rahman, not there in the class.
Sir, his connection is low, sir.
Problems based on graph. What all we do from here based on all these graph problems which we discussed. Saturday, I think Monday and Tuesday also will discuss. Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, what all we discussed. Pakka isme se hi you will get mains advanced questions. This is minus infinity.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, for a to a comma b belongs to real number, then after that what is written, sir?
A
to
less than B.
oh, a less than, yes, sir. Understood.
अब से जो भी करने जा रहे हैं, अब से जो भी करेंगे, मेरे ख्याल से इट विल टेक 3 days. What all we do, very very important for JEE mains and advanced. I'm waiting.
Sir, option C.
Anybody? I'm waiting.
Sir, both routes in A to B.
I don't know, man. Anybody? Look at. Pay attention. सुन रहे हो? सुन रहे
Yes, sir.
हो? What is f of x? Coefficient of x square is equal to 1 greater than 0. What curve, man?
Upward parabola.
Upward parabola. Even degree polynomial as x goes to plus or minus infinity, f of x goes to infinity. Am I correct? Hello? What is f of a? What is f of a? What is f of a? Am I correct? What is f of b? What is f of b? B minus b 0. Correct? On the
Yes.
number line. On the number line. On the number line. AB. This is x-axis. As x goes to infinity, function goes to infinity. As x goes to minus infinity, function goes to infinity. F of a minus 1, f of b minus 1. Last year we did many problems of this type in curve sketching, maxima, minima, tangents and normals. फिर भी you are unable to solve this problem. It has two roots. One root in b to infinity, other root in minus infinity to a. Answer is option C. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I am waiting. Non-Jasim's response. Jasim Waitman.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Any doubts? Any questions? Last year इतने problem करे ना जी. Hello. Any doubts? Any questions?
Sir, no doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
इधर गया, बूम गया पूरा. फिर ढूंढना स्टार्टिंग से. Can I clear this off?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Only question part.
Yes, sir.
These are all problems based on graphs. Look here. I reiterate once again, problems based on graph. Shall I?
So distinct real roots.
Correct. Anybody? Anybody? बच्चे लोग, what is f of x here? बच्चे लोग, what is f of x here?
X minus C plus 2 into X minus B into X minus D.
f of x minus a, x minus, उसको सिंप्लीफाई क्यों कर रहे जी? सिंप्लीफाई करने से कुछ फायदा नहीं है.
नहीं करे सर सिंप्लीफाई.
What is coefficient of x square?
3.
Even degree polynomial क्या होगा?
Goes to plus or minus infinity. X
X
goes
goes to plus or minus infinity implies
F of x goes to
what is f of a?
A minus C plus 2
पहले
into
पहले एक मिनट पहले 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 वो सब ना, वो सब क्यों लिखना? ए बी सी, बच्चे लोग, व्हाट इज एफ ऑफ ए?
A minus
दिस इज
C
जीरो.
minus C plus 2 into A minus B into A minus D.
ए जीरो होगा जी. ए माइनस सी कहीं को आता? दिस इज जीरो.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir
नॉन.
Yes, sir.
2 into a minus b into a minus b. am I correct? अब एक कंडीशन दिया हो, a minus b पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव. a minus b पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव. so this is 2 into negative which is positive. am I correct?
Yes, sir.
f of b, b minus a into b minus c plus 0. b minus a, बोलो जी. b minus a positive,
So positive.
b minus c
negative
negative. Positive into negative,
less than
negative. f of c, this is 0 plus 2 into c minus d, 2 into c minus d, positive, c minus d, negative. Correct? f of d, बोलो बोलो मन.
x minus
f
d
of
minus a
d
into
बोलो.
d minus a
d minus a into d minus c.
d minus a into d minus c. इन्हें 0 हो गया.
Positive into positive.
पॉजिटिव
Greater than
इंटू
zero.
पॉजिटिव. अब नंबर लाइन पे आ जाओ. आइए, अब भी 80 80. अब देखो, एफ ऑफ ए पॉजिटिव, बी नेगेटिव, सी नेगेटिव, डी पॉजिटिव. ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो. करा.
Yes sir.
इट हैज
Two distinct rows.
two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. One in, एक रूट कहाँ है जी? A to B and other in what? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
अब मैं लिख के मैं सॉल्व कर रहे तो बोर्ड पे देख के यस सर नो सर बोल रहे. अब देखो, ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, एक तो भी खुद करो. खुद करे तो तुरुम तोप। क्या बोले? क्या बोला? खुद करे तो बोलो मैम।
to
खुद
solve.
करे तो तुरुम एंड तोप। हमरा हैदराबाद में इसमें कितना है दम? हेलो, कोई है? कोई है?
Yes, sir.
क्या मैं अकेला हूँ? कोई है? कोई है? कोई है?
Yes, sir.
यस सर बोलने से फायदा नहीं है, आंसर बोलने से फायदा। अब बोलो। मैं बोलूं, मैं करूं, आंसर बोलो।
Sir, B.
Why?
Chore method.
No man. Hamza, do it in the exam, not in the class. अरे मेरे हीरोज, आंसर बोलो जी। अरे मेरे तुम आंसर बोलो, मत करना। आई एम स्टार्टिंग। लुक हियर, फर्स्ट 1 2 3 है। Since AI is less than AI plus 1, A1 is less than A2, correct? And A2 is less than A3, correct?
Yes, sir.
What does this imply? Jasim, you wait. Correct?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अब मेरा f of x क्या है बोलो? इसको एक्सपेंड करो। पाई माने प्रोडक्ट, सिग्मा माने सम। Can you club these two? बोलो मन। x minus a1 plus a1 minus x, a2 minus x। बचे लोग हम करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Coefficient of, what is this? What is this? What is this? Odd degree poly. Once it's an odd degree poly, hence what happens? Hence,
As x goes to plus or minus infinity.
you cannot say plus or minus. Konava, 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 Konava. It's an odd degree polynomial. X goes to infinity, it goes to infinity. Minus infinity, it goes to minus infinity. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is f of a1? This is 0. Remember, number line पे पहले number line ड्रॉ करेंगे। a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3. What is f of a1?
A2 minus A1 into A3 minus A1. Sorry, plus A3 minus.
इन्हें 0 हो गया, इन्हें 0 हो गया, ये दोनों बच जाते। a2 minus a1 plus a3 minus a1. Am I correct? What is
Yes,
a2
sir.
minus a1 then?
Positive.
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 a3 minus a1?
Positive.
Positive. Positive. So positive. So greater than 0. f of a2, इन्हें 0 हो गया, इन्हें 0 हो गया, ये दोनों बच गए। What remains?
A1 minus
a1
A2
minus a2
plus A3 minus.
What is a1 minus a2?
Negative.
Negative. a3 minus a1?
Positive.
So positive, negative plus positive. नेगेटिव प्लस पॉजिटिव बोलो जी।
0.
कौन है
Not
वो?
sure, sir.
कौन है वो? कौन है वो? जीरो बोला। यू कैन नॉट डिसाइड, यू डू नॉट नो। एफ ऑफ A3 बोला, A1 A3 A2 A3. What is A1 minus A3? A1 minus A3.
Negative.
A2 minus A3.
Negative.
So it will be negative, less than 0. आओ, आया, आओ, आया। F of A1 क्या है?
Positive.
पॉजिटिव। A2 क्या है? एक केस पॉजिटिव ले लेंगे। F of A3 क्या है?
Negative.
As x goes to infinity, function goes to infinity. X goes to minus infinity, function goes to minus infinity. तो यहां से आना उसको, आके ऊपर आके नीचे आके फिर ऊपर। मैं F of A2 क्या लिया? पॉजिटिव।
Positive.
अगर आप if you take F of A2 negative, A3 is also negative, no?
Yes, sir.
How many times graph is cutting x-axis?
Yes.
3 times.
3 times.
So 3 distinct real roots. Answer B. Some more. Done?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Can I clear off first 3 lines?
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Completed, sir.
Straightforward problem. पूरे ग्राफ के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम चाहिए, ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये बाकी के प्रॉब्लम हर कोई करता, इसमें से अगर प्रॉब्लम आया एग्जाम में करेक्ट करे, सीट पक्का मिल जाता। बच्चे लोग वेटिंग, जल्दी फटाफट।
Twelve.
व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या है?
Positive. Discriminant
माने
is 0.
माने कौन सा पैराबोला? अपवर्ड पैराबोला। The graph is lying strictly above x-axis. Upward parabola. When does it happen?
Discriminant less than 0.
What is b square? 64 into a plus 5 whole square. 4 a c. बच्चे लोग करेक्ट? Cancel off 64. A plus 5 whole square plus. Correct? A square 10a 7a 25 plus 5 15 to correct है?
Yes, sir.
So where will a belongs to? तो सॉरी -15 कमा -2। तो ये कहां से शुरू होता? How many points? How many integral values? कोई शक?
No, sir, no doubt.
You can leave. Thank you. Monday, same time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.